Good morning, students. So, in the previous class, we discussed about multiplication of the integers. Okay. So today I am going to teach you the division of integers. Okay. So division of integers. Before going to solve the problem, students, so first you have to know the division of the signs here, students. Division of the sign. That is plus division plus is equal to plus, and minus division minus is equal to plus, and plus is division minus is equal to minus, and minus division plus is equal to minus. So all these are similar to that of multiplication of the signs. Okay, but only the sign is different. Only that means, students, here. Okay, only the operation is different. Okay, see, now I am going to solve the exercise here. Exercise 1.4. Evaluate each of the following. Very easy problem, students, all of these. So this one here we have to divide this number by 10, that is minus 30 divided by 10. Okay, this one I am going to write in this form. Okay, so this 10, it contains plus. Okay, this is a plus. See, students, here first here we have to divide the sign, that is minus division plus what becomes, see here, minus division plus it becomes minus. Okay, so after that we have to divide the numbers, that is 10 ones are 10 threes are. So the answer is minus 3. This much only, students. Understood? Now see the C, students, see here, that is minus 36 divided by minus 9. Okay, so here minus division minus what becomes, minus division minus becomes plus. Okay, you may write you may write plus or not. Okay, so after that 9 ones are 9 fours are. Okay, so the answer is plus 4. Okay, see the next E, students, here. See, this E contains first here we have to simplify what is which operation in the bracket. Okay, so remaining right as it is. So this 13 right as it is, students, and here first we have to simplify this one. Okay, minus 2 plus 1. Okay, 13 division, here both these numbers they contain different sign. It means here we have to do the division, sorry, here we have to do the subtraction. Minus 2 plus 1 becomes 1. 2 minus 1, 1 comes, and the bigger number has which sign here, 2. It means it is a minus 1. Okay, so after that 13 divided by minus 1. So here plus division minus what becomes, it is plus division minus, it becomes minus. Okay, so the answer is 13. This much only, students. See then I problem, students, all of you here. This one also contains two brackets. Okay, so this is the first bracket and this is the second bracket. Okay, see, first here we have to simplify the what is in the bracket. Okay, so remaining right as it is, student, minus 2 plus 1. Understood? So the next is the, students, here both these numbers they contain different sign. It means here we have to do the subtraction, that is minus 6 plus 5 becomes minus 1 becomes, students, here, because 6 minus 5, 1 comes, and the bigger number is 6, it contains minus, and that way we have to put here minus division. And here also 2 minus 1, 1 comes, and bigger number is 2 here, it means here we have to put the minus sign. Understood, students? So the next step is that we have to do the division of both these integers, that is minus 1 divided by minus 1. Okay, so this one I am going to write like in the upside down side, that much only. Okay, so the next step is the, students, here we have to do the division of the sign first. See, minus division minus what becomes, it becomes plus. Okay, plus you may write or not. So after that it comes, answer is 1. So these are the solution for the problems of first question of exercise 14.2, students. So I hope all of you understood all these problems. So this question contains total 9 problems. I solved 4. And remaining 5 problems, they are the homework for all of you. Okay. So let me stop here. Tomorrow I will continue with the next problems of the next question. Thank you. Have a nice day.